finally here. I've been waiting for this thing for about 10 weeks. When I first ordered it, they said it would be 4 to 6 weeks. Took a lot longer than expected. As a matter of fact, as you guys know, Boosted put out a notice once the time came when people should have been receiving their boards that they were a little delayed in shipping. So they basically pushed off a week. I waited another week, still wasn't there. Then all of a sudden, they pushed another week. And here it's finally got it. Looking forward to unboxing it, charging this bad boy up and going for a ride. So let's get rolling. Let's see here. This bad boy. Box is obviously different than the V2. Looks like it's the same remote. And the board. Let's get into this. All right. Up to 14 miles range, 24 miles an hour top speed, 25 grade hill climbing, and regenerative brakes. So very similar, obviously, to the V2, with a whole different look, which is exciting.
This is a Mr. Tracky production.
Wow. Fresh out of the box. Now this is their new board. It's no longer the bamboo board. It's actually made out of the same material as snowboards. And actually, as you feel it on the bottom, you can actually tell it's fiberglass. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Look at that. Wheels are definitely a little bit bigger. Oh, there's nothing like peeling this new plastic off. Oh, love that sound. Let's pull this off. Yeah. Wow. Can't wait to ride this bad boy. Let's see how much of a charge we got on it. Oh, not too bad actually. Should charge up fairly quickly. So I'm gonna hold this up a little bit. Wow, the edges are definitely different. Fiberglass. Oh, you know what they did? Look at this. With the inside of the wheel, it's actually solid now, which is awesome because that place on the V2 would get dirty right in those holes that actually went around there. And it was like nearly impossible. And you can still see they still got the holes on this side. See that? But they lost the holes on the outside, which would make it a lot easier to clean. Can't tell from a weight perspective. It feels like it might be a little bit heavier than the other one. But love the new material. Engines look the same. All right, this is awesome. Definitely gonna have to ride this bad boy today. Let's see what else is in here. All right, the accessory box. Ooh, love it. Look at that. Boosted. Nice. The remote. This must be all the paperwork. Yeah, the manual. Boosted Stealth manual and Boosted Plus manual. So they got interchangeable manuals. Oh, wow. Look at that. Let's see what else is in here. Got some boosted decals. Gonna have to utilize those. I'm not sure what's in here. Let's check this out. Oh wow. They actually provide extra belts with the Stealth. I don't remember them doing that with the V2, but that's pretty cool. So yeah, you actually have a whole extra belt kit. That's awesome. Although I've only had my V2 since end of May, and I haven't broke a belt yet, over 300 miles, so that's good. And then we've got the plugs. Looks like the same charger. Yeah, same charger as on the V2. And then I assume this is probably, let's see. Oh, skateboard tool. And then let's see what this is. Okay, this is the cable for the to charge the remote control, and then the little holder there for your wrist. All right, this is awesome. All right, I think it's time to get this bad boy charged up all the way and take it for a ride. So that's it, folks. Boosted Stealth, finally in my hands. Had a little rain last night, but I don't think it's going to be too bad to ride, so it's actually not wet at all. So super excited. Can't wait to get this bad boy going. Look at that. She is. All right, first ride.
This is a Mr. Tracky production.
finished my first ride. Went 19.5 miles today. It was incredible. The boosted board, the acceleration on it is so much faster than the V2, especially when you're in hyper mode. Love the fact that the board's wider. It makes it so much easier as far as balance goes. You don't seem to get the speed wobbles as much when you're up at the high speeds. Also, the bigger wheels helps a ton when you're going on rough terrain. Holes don't, you don't feel them near as much. A lot easier to ride overall. So yeah, I'm sold. I'm glad I got it. Hope you enjoyed the ride. And please comment and subscribe. And peace and love. See you on the next one.